Hi there, we're at Tivoli Gardens in Copenhagen. We're here quite late in the afternoon. So Tivoli Gardens is actually open until 11 o'clock at night. So we've just arrived now. It's nearly 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So obviously, being Copenhagen, we've had to kind of fill in that day, and we decided to go to the Carlsberg place, which is called Home of Carlsberg, and we've drunk quite a few beers at this point. So yeah.
And it's starting to rain.
It's actually starting to rain. So right now in the UK, it's actually like Mediterranean heat right now, in the 30s, and here in Copenhagen we're in the 20s, and it's raining all the time, and literally it's just started raining now actually. So good timing for the vlog. So yeah, we're going to take you to Tivoli Gardens. It's not a fully fledged theme park. What we're going to expect today is there's a B&M roller coaster called the Demon. There's a pretty old wooden roller coaster as well. I won't say the name because I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's the second operational roller coaster that is the oldest in the world, so even older than the Big Dipper. There's a few other rides as well, but Tivoli Gardens is mainly obviously the gardens. There's a lot of restaurants, there's a lot of dining options, drinks, there's shows, and rides is just a small portion of it. So yeah, we're going to take you around for a look and show you what there is, and there's going to be some POVs as well. So yeah, we'll take you in. We're still out right outside at the moment, so it's literally just off the main high street here in Copenhagen. So it's like built right into the middle of the whole city. So yeah, obviously there's a Lego store right behind me as well. So we've got all the shops here too. So yeah, we'll take you in and show you around. See you soon. So yeah, here we come into Tivoli Gardens. So we'll just scan our tickets, and not really very much security, just straight through. But yeah, as soon as we get in, we've got a nice band stand going on. So yeah, I mean, it's looking really nice there. There's a stage there with a peacock on. So the whole kind of Japanese kind of vibe going on. Yeah. You see a band playing there as you just enter. So as I said at the beginning, there's loads of kind of shows and music acts going on. The weekend we're actually here in July. Next weekend Tom Jones is actually doing a set, and in a few weeks' time you have like acts like Bryan Adams that you may have heard of as well. But there's always kind of something going on whenever you go to Tivoli Gardens. So yeah, later on we'll probably see what the acts are going to be. So yeah, we're just entering the main Tivoli Gardens area. Look there, someone's actually got married today. That's something they do there in Tivoli Gardens. Okay. So you can see there in the distance, that drop tower looking thing is actually the Star Flyer. I don't know if it's operating today. No one seems to be going up it. But yeah, you'll be happy if that's not on. Oh look, here comes the old train. The Tivoli train. You want to go on that, do you? Here we go. Whee. So we're queuing for the Demon. There's no actual queue times, is there?
No, you don't know how long you're waiting for.
So we're just coming off the Demon. That was
road photos.
quite underwhelming actually.
Okay.
So being used to the B&M roller coasters in the UK, that was not that thrilling to be honest.
No, it was okay.
Like obviously like you go on like Nemesis, Reborn, Alton Towers or even Nemesis Inferno at Ford Park. I mean that's way more thrilling than that. And you go round the Demon and you kind of feel like there's more to come and you're actually coming into the back into the station again. It's all over. That's it.
Yeah, it's very short ride.
Like that, you know, we've got an Immelman loop in there. We've got a 0G roll involved, but it just happened so quickly, and you're back in the station. It's over.
Yeah.
So, not as good as I thought.
No.
For being there.
No. Maybe let's try a different coaster.
So yeah, we have got a couple more roller coasters here, so we're going to try those out, see what they're like. And yeah, we've got ride photos over here as well. Where are we? I love how they put this massive like no camera sign all over it. There we are, look at you. There's me and Cole. But what's that all about? Why do they put on that there? They don't want to take a picture. So yeah, it's starting to rain now. Getting wet. Again. So if you've bought the passes online like we did, which we have here on an app, they don't seem so happy that we have a barcode. We have to get some sort of ride pass or something. So we need to be going to these green machines, which are dotted around the park, to get some kind of wristband. Obviously they can still scan what we booked online, but we need to be getting these wristbands. Okay, your road pass being Okay. Okay, so we actually have proper wristbands now. Okay, so there we go.
That's what they look like.
Yeah. So that's what we need. There we go. We've got a wristband. The ride-up staff are happier now. So yeah. So yeah, if you come to Tivoli Gardens, you've booked it all online. Make sure you come to one of these machines and scan the barcode that you have in the app. So yeah, obviously if they could scan the barcode on your email confirmation, that's fine, but it's a lot easier if you could just have one of these. Hey. What are you laughing for?
Why are we on this?
I hope we get a third lap, not two. This is two. Hey. Come on, one more time. Come on. Ah, third time. Whee! Fourth time. Wow. Still a coaster creds. Still gonna get that. Whee! That
That's
is it. I feel like it's a note. Yeah. The ride we just been on, what was that called?
Camel.
The Camel, that's it. It was okay.
Yeah.
It was like a power coaster that went round 4 times. It was a very short track though. So yeah, I'm kind of glad it went around 4 times. So yeah. Next ride we're going on is Fata Morgana, which is this one here. This drop tower which spins. So there actually are a couple of options. So there's actually a family option, or we can go for the spin option. So should we go to the spin option?
Go on then.
Yeah? Let's go. The spin option. So yeah, it's kind of like a drop tower, but the cars up there will spin. So yeah, let's give it a go. Got a Fata Morgana. How was that?
Okay.
Wasn't too bad, was it?
No, it was okay actually.
Like, it looks a lot more daunting than how it seems
Yeah.
from the ground. When you're on it,
Alright.
it doesn't seem that bad. Like, for me, we've got a pretty good view of Copenhagen. You can see the outside of the theme park and the garden. So it's quite nice to get a bit of height. There are a couple of taller rides here. They got the Starflyer and the drop tower here as well. So we might go on those. What do you reckon? The Starflyer? How does that sound? Yeah, we're just kind of like walking around Tivoli right now. The queues are really good actually. Like, we've not really waited that long. Like, when we queued up for the Demon, no longer than 10 minutes. For the other rides, probably no longer than 5 minutes. And we're here on a Saturday, so it's pretty good. So yeah, we're going to go on Monsoon, which is this one here. So yeah, the queue again, not very long at all. So we shouldn't be waiting too long. That was really good, wasn't it?
That's the best ride we've been on here.
Monsoon. So yeah, it's a flat ride. It's very different. Like, the seats you're on are kind of like roller coaster seats with kind of over the shoulder restraint, and they're spinning around. And you got the water jets at the bottom. You think they're going to get you, but they don't. But it's raining anyway, so
Yeah, the water jets didn't actually faze me at all.
yeah, the water jets didn't actually get us.
No.
So yeah, that's the best ride so far, I reckon. Actually better than a roller coaster. So yeah, we've not actually come across the wooden roller coaster yet, the really old one here. But yeah, we're kind of hoping we come across that soon. So yeah, we'll see where we end up next at Tivoli Gardens. So we're about to get on the oldest roller coaster in Europe. Can't pronounce the name. But yeah, obviously if you search up Tivoli Gardens and see what the rides are, then you will know what it is called. So yeah, the ride times here are really good. There's no boards telling you what the ride times are, but pretty much so far we've just kind of got in the queue and we're just managing to get on really quickly. So yeah, and as you can see right there in the middle there's a member of staff who controls the ride with a handlebar. So you'll just see her just jump on right there and go on the ride. Hello. How was that?
Mental.
Can't believe I'm like actually falling out of my seat on the air time. I literally thought that's the most I've fallen out of a seat during air time.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But like no queue. Should go again.
I think we should.
Let's go again. That's amazing. I think definitely the best ride in the park, and it doesn't feel like it's that old. So it's got the oldest roller coaster again, and now we're going on another ride straight away called the Mine, which is kind of like an indoor boat ride where you've got a shooting gun as well. So yeah, literally no queues at all, which is great. You excited for this one?
Yeah, it's a boat ride.
Literally, like there's no queue. And it looks like a similar ride system to like Laser Raiders at Legoland.
That's your first still coming. I don't want wet feet, can't deal with that. We should throw it out there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow! Oh! My feet. That's the right picture. Must be on the splash.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice that camera going off. Oh, enjoy that.
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah.
I like that.
Nice calm little dark ride.
Yeah, until you think you're going to get soaked.
We got soaked when we're not expecting to be soaked.
Yeah.
Well, this looks different. Tic Tac. I don't think it's even open. Oh, really? It looks different. It's quite good. Okay. Let's head this way. There's a few rides closed. There's a coaster here. Bjergbanen, the Milky Way Express. Let's try that. Let's go. It's another coaster credit, isn't it? Was the Milky Way Express.
Very good.
That was a fun ride, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did 3 laps around the track as well.
Really good.
And it actually felt like it had quite a bit of speed. Definitely recommended. That's definitely well up there out of all of the rides in this park, yeah. So yeah, we're going to take a look around, see what we come across next, and yeah, speak to you in a bit. So yeah, kind of walking around. It's very different to what we're used to seeing in a normal theme park. Got all these different kind of shops and got games here going on the street. Bars and restaurants as well. Right here you got sandwiches and things, bubble tea. Even got an art gallery. That's a bit different, isn't it? It's mixed with all these different games and things and restaurants. So, hello. So, it's 11:25 at night, so the park's officially closed. But there's one more thing to happen. It's going to be happening at 11:30. And that's what they're doing at the moment, is fireworks through July, isn't it? August. So that's happening at 11:30 at night. So we're just waiting around for that to start. But we've had a good day, haven't we? Well, it's good afternoon, evening.
Good evening, afternoon and evening.
Yeah, so we've done quite a few rides. The queue times have been really awesome. Not much waiting around there. There's obviously loads of food and restaurants here to choose from. And yeah, obviously all the gardens you can look around too. So yeah, the weather here has been a lot cooler than the UK, so we've definitely enjoyed being out all day in a cooler climate.
Been nice.
Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Next coming up is the fireworks. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.